Understanding the phrase, stacking firewood. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into a fascinating English phrase, stacking firewood. This expression is a great example of how English uses vivid imagery to convey a specific idea or action. Whether you're a beginner or advanced English learner, understanding such phrases can add richness to your language skills. So, let's get started. First, let's explore the literal meaning of this phrase. Stacking refers to placing objects in an orderly pile, and firewood is wood that has been cut and is used for fuel in a fire. So, literally, stacking firewood means arranging pieces of wood in a neat pile, usually for later use in a fireplace or stove. This action is common in regions where people burn wood for heating or cooking. Now, let's look at the metaphorical or figurative use of stacking firewood. In English, this phrase can be used to describe any activity that involves preparing for future needs. For example, studying for a test well in advance is like stacking firewood. You're preparing for future use. This usage is a great example of how English speakers often use physical activities to describe abstract concepts. Let's see some examples of how stacking firewood can be used in sentences. 1. Literal use. I spent the afternoon stacking firewood for the winter. 2. Metaphorical use. By saving money each month, she is stacking firewood for her retirement. Notice how the phrase can be used in different contexts to convey both literal and metaphorical meanings. When using this phrase, remember, it's often used for activities that are preparatory in nature. Don't confuse it with similar expressions that might have different meanings, like gathering firewood, which implies collecting rather than organizing. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, stacking firewood, and its uses in the English language. Remember, phrases like these can add color and depth to your communication. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English expressions like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.